Let's talk about a tiny word that connects ideas. The word is "and." It's everywhere in English and super important. "And" is used to join words, phrases, or sentences. It adds one thing to another to make a list or to combine ideas. A common mistake is using "and" when you need a different connector like "but" or "or." Also, some learners add "and" too many times unnecessarily. "And" often connects two nouns, cats and dogs, two verbs, eat and sleep, or two sentences, I like tea, and she likes coffee. I have a pen and a notebook. She sings and dances every afternoon. We went to the park, and it started to rain. Bread and butter is a popular combination. A little boy loved both ice cream and cake. He said, I want both and I am happy. So, and helped him share all that he loved. Think of "and" as a bridge connecting two islands. It links ideas together like a bridge links land. Now you know how to use "and" to connect ideas. Try to use it in your next sentences. See you next time.